Children, today we shall study two important topics. The first one is that you are seeing on the screen, the food chain, and the another one is food web. Both are same, but they have a little bit difference. And the whole food process from starting to end is depend on the food chain. So let's start. A series of organisms means a number of uh, organisms, lot of organisms linked means connected together by the process of eating and being eaten for food, means they eat food and they also become the food for other animals, yeah, other things. That is called food chain. This is the definition from a from here to here. This is the definition. A series of organisms linked together by the process of eating and being eaten for the food is called a food chain. A food chain always begins with a producer, and the natural producer or the primary producer are plants, grass, green plants, herbs. They are natural producer. Or in a forest, grass or plants. Grass or plant is a eaten by insect such as grasshoppers. The insect are eaten by the frogs, means from here to here, then here to here. And frog is eaten up by the snake. Now next step. And finally, the snake may be eaten by an eagle or peahen. Means more. More the peahen also like to eat snake. Okay, so now here to snake to eagle. So this food chain is prepared. Grass, grass to insect, insect to frog, frog to snake, snake to eagle. This is a food chain. So you can also find some more example, like first one, like plants is eaten by the deer, and deer is eaten by the lion or the tiger. So it is also a food chain. Next is food web. That is also, it is also a same process of food chain, but food web, as you know, web means jal, means in a forest a plant is not eaten by just one herbivore. There are many herbivores eat the plant, like insect, like rabbit, like deer, like cow, like buffalo. It is eaten by different animals, and they in turn are eaten by the carnivores, and not the one herbivore is eaten by the one animal, one carnivore. Here the deer is eaten by the lion, as well as the tiger, as well as the forest hounds, means jungli kutte, as well as the bear, as well as the hyena. Got it, no? So one thing is the food for many things. One animal is the food for many animals. So it makes a web. So they thus many food chain get interlinked, forming a web known as food web. In a food chain, if for some reason or an organism disappears, the balance in the environment will get disturbed. Suppose that if you remove the insect, means grasshopper. So from where the frog will get their food, so it will be disturbed, no? If tiger disappear, then deer will grow in number as the population of deer increase, because only the tiger has the capacity to eat to eat or prey the, yeah, hunt the deer according to food chain, because they consist only one animal for one process. But plants will start disappearing due to overgrazing in the forest. But according to food web, deer is eaten by the tiger, not then lion, then greyhounds, then panther, then leopard. So there are many options. So number of deers will be in control according to food web, but not according to food chain. This difference you have to understand between the food chain and the food web. Got it? So you can see here, grass is eaten by the grasshopper, as well as the squirrel, as well as the rabbit. So there are, as well as the deer. So there are four animals can eat the grass. As you look at here, the grasshopper is eaten by the pigeon as well as the fox. Rabbit is eaten by the tiger, rabbit is eaten by the fox, and rabbit is eaten by the vulture. Okay. Squirrel is eaten by the vulture, squirrel is eaten by the fox, and so squirrel is eaten by the tiger. So if one age disappears, suppose that we cut the, suppose the fox is not present in the forest, but vulture and the tiger can make the balance in the forest. Okay, so this is the difference what I want to tell you with the help of this video. Okay.